Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj selected which fort as the capital of the kingdom?
Raigad.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj coronation took place in which year?
1674.
What is the capital of the kingdom of Qutub Shah?
Golconda.
There were about how many forts under the direct control of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj?
300.
Now you tell me what was developed as a part of a commercial activities. Which fort?
Rajapur.
Rajapur. Okay. No, it is not fort. Rajapur was developed as the part of commercial activities. Okay. Now give me the answer in one word. Dream of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Hindavi Swaraj.
Name of new settlement of Pashan.
Jijapur.
The book cited important of the fort.
Ajnapatra.
The other name of sea fort.
Suvarna Durga. Jitji.
Perform the coronation ceremony of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Gangaguri.
Place where coronation ceremony took place.
Place
Coronation.
Raigad.
Name of two Hindu Santa respected of by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Sant Tukaram Samarth Ramdas.
The brave woman who defend Belewadi.
Mallama Desai.
The hill forts repaired by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Name.
Suvarna Durga and Vijay Durga.
Correct. The official who were under Killedar.
Tamil Monastery.
Two faithful servant of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Hiroji Farjan and Madari Mehta.
Person who refused safely from Mughal.
Murad Waji.
Okay, we go to the next part of that oral exam. Now you tell me what is the designation of Moro Trambak Pingale?
Pradhan.
Ramchandra Nilkanta Muzumdar.
Amatya.
Hambirao Mohite.
Pambira Moite. Senapati.
Now you tell me the duties of Hambirao Mohite when he is Senapati.
Defense.
Correct. Moreshwar Pandit Rao.
Patidra.
What is the department?
Justice.
Which kind of matter he solved?
Religious matter.
Correct. Ramchandra Trambak Dabir.
Suman.
Okay, now you tell me the Killedar's function.
To protect administration, the fort. To protect administration, the fort. To issue order to the subnis and Kargalis.
Okay, now you tell me the function of subnis.
To keep account. To protect the
Correspondence. Now you tell me true and false. Tanaji postponed the wedding of his son Suryaji.
True.
Shelar Mama accompanied Tanaji to give invitation of Raiba's wedding.
True.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was unhappy that Kondana was under control the Mughals.
True.
Tanaji reached Kondana from Kalyan Gate.
False.
Suryaji said, fort is on, but the lion is dead.
False.
Who said?
Shivaji.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now you tell me the name of the sea fort.
Sea fort. Sindhudurga. Janjira.
Correct. Now you tell me the name of the hill fort.
Raigad. Rajgarh.
Name of the hill fort.
Raigad.
Forest fort.
Pratapgarh.
Correct. Now you tell me in whose hand was the Kondana fort.
Kondana fort was a Mughal.
Okay. What did Jijamata say to Chhatrapati Shivaji about Kondana?
Jijamata said to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj about Kondana Shubha that a strong fort Kondana was in Mughal hand. We must recapture it.
Okay. Which calendar did Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj start from the years of his of his coronation?
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj started coronation calendar of his coronation year.
Here, Shabas. What was the appeal made by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to Venkoji Raje?
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj made an appeal by Venkoji Raje to work in the head of the Swaraj.
Shabas. Now, last question. Against which power did Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj fight to establish Swaraj?
Against Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj fought the powers against the Portuguese, the Siddhis, the English, the Dutch and the Mughal for establish Swarajya.
Now, one last question is remaining. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj built a strong navy. What is the reason?
A navy consists of warship. The Portuguese, the Siddhis, the Dutch, the English had strong navy forces. Some people had plundered to the Shivaji Maharaj village. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj considered a strong navy.
Correct. All the best. Your all question answers are correct. Keep it up.
Thank you.